Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. So we are here right now at the Camprestohan Highland Resort, and this is the birthday boy. Hi Virgil.
Hi.
Hello. Day, minga palihog sa kubutang sakit sa ilalom, day kagilangaw day. Nay lang. Enjoy. So we just arrived here. Husband.
Apa ito?
Oh.
Kuamin ka no? Tawa.
That's his cake. And this is the foods that we brought. Everyone is enjoying. And they have 7 swimming pool in here. So look at the chicken there, guys. It's so big. Look at the roaster there. It's nice in here. So that's our cottage there that we rent. So we just arrived here about 15 minutes. So it takes about 3 hours. This to be here from our place to here, it takes 3 hours. That's one of their swimming pool over there. So after Virgil eat, they gonna go swimming. Virgil is over here with his friends. This is one of their swimming pool. O doon ang ilang dagat. Virgil, look! Happy birthday! He really had a good time with his friends. There's a lot of guests on here, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of people. So this is one of their swimming pool. We don't check the other side yet. So we just finish eating our breakfast. So we're gonna do some tour, guys. So that area there in the right side is, that one is you can get the ticket when you're going to ride the zip line under biking. And they have a lots of activities that you can do here. So there's a lots of people there. And then some of the people on the way to the other swimming pools. So they have 7 kinds of swimming pools on this place, and all the kids and the adults can enjoy their swimming pool. They have a wave pool and the bubble pool, so the kids really enjoy the wave pool. And they have that nice slides. Look at this one here, guys. Wow. So Virgil has been taking some picture here with his friends. It's nice. Oh, Dinosaur Park. Dino Park. Rams Dino Park. Virgil and his classmates, his friends. Gay, ride! You're enjoying, guys. So this is their Dino Park here. They're enjoying that, guys.
Elepante, oh. Ayusin.
Lay mong mama dong, dili pagtagba pangita nimo.
Oo, bitaw. Bajud ka. Nana gino kada ang tinuod na lang.
Gidalang to niyo si Jasmine be.
Hala tay taano bunga. Layo.
Look at that, guys. We have lots of animals in here. Now let's go there, Virgil. Let's go. So we're gonna go to the second pool, second swimming pool. Ay, pagdagan lang ka ura no, nga kuan mo mga dag. Mama ni mo dai.
Napo dito tay sa antiko ah.
Nindot ito. Na yung mama tagba pitog pangita duwa sa Ipraem, yung mama.
Dili ato na po dito, nangita ano po nila.
Uy, mga unsa naman dito ni magpuyo mga bataon. Asan silang ko hindi oh. Nalingaw sila. So I'm gonna show you guys their swimming pools that kids can really enjoy because they have that nice slides and that wave pool. So we're on the way there. I'm gonna show you how nice it is. And there's a lots of people there. So that's one of their swimming pools there. It's a little bit far from where we got our cottage. So as you can see, it's very nice. Side by side, there's swimming pools that kids and the adults can enjoy. And look at that big slides. Virgil is over there. He's been enjoying himself and together with his friends. As you can see how nice it is, and they have also some slides for the small kids there. And look at that. So they not turn on their wave pool yet, so it's over there at the bottom. That's where they put the wave pool. And Virgil has been there in the slides. It's on the way there. It's really worth it. You pay entrance fee for 250 pesos and you can enjoy their swimming pools. It's really worth it. And if you are a senior citizen, it's just 180 pesos if you are a senior citizen. If you are 60 plus. So we really had a wonderful time in here. So I am here at the top where the hanging bridge is, and you can see the swimming pool down there, and they have a lots of guests, and that's their hanging bridge there. So they have also some biking on this side where the hanging bridge, at the top of that hanging bridge they have that biking. So one of my friend, she's been riding on that biking and she really enjoy, and it's a little bit scary. So I was going to ride it, but the problem is I'm wearing a dress, so maybe next time it would be nice to try. So my sister also has been riding a zip line, and she really enjoyed it. She really had a good time on there. And they have a lots of cottages in that area there, and it's just like 600 pesos for one cottage, and it can accommodate 10 people. So it's not so bad. Most of the people been visiting here, they bring their own foods and drinks, and it's really worth it for the entrance fee. It's 250 pesos. Then you can enjoy the swimming pools, and it's especially the kids, they really love the wave pool and also that slides there. And they have also restaurants and a cafe there that you can enjoy the foods and the coffee. So there's people there in the hanging bridge right now, and so in that side there's a restaurant. So we not been trying their foods there at the restaurant because it's a little bit far from our cottage. So my husband is staying there at our cottage because it's a little bit far and it's hard for his back to walk back and forth. So that's the biking there at the top where you can ride the biking. So that's the restaurant over there. So maybe next time we're gonna try. So I'm gonna show you guys all of the amazing rooms here at Campestuhan Highland Resort. So I am on the way there. So they call it Bonita Hut. And the rooms really looks different. And it's really looks nice outside. And there's a lots of people taking some pictures, selfies. So that's one of the rooms there. That's the look outside of the rooms. It's really cute. So the overnight staying there is not really expensive. Looks like around 2,500 pesos. So I can't get the look inside of the rooms because it's closed. And that's the view outside on the room. So they have another one there, different style of the rooms. So in that area there, most of them are, it's a room for rent for overnight stay. And they have a lots of rooms that you can rent. And it's really cute as you can see. Look at that. And look at the outside look. It's really beautiful. And there's a lots of guests over there too. That's why some of the rooms are clear. So we really had a wonderful time there at the Campestuhan Highland Resort, and all the kids and my parents, my sister, my grandma, my relatives, my friends, they really had a wonderful time there. Even though my Lola, my grandma, and one of my relative, they have a motion sickness, but when they arrived there, they really enjoyed the place. And the swimming pools, they really had a good time on there. And Virgil really had a wonderful birthday. And they really enjoyed that wave pool and the bubble pool. And I forgot to take a video on the wave pool. So it's really nice. Then Virgil told me that on my next birthday, Mommy, I'm gonna celebrate there again. He really had a wonderful time there, and he said that he's very happy and he's really enjoying himself. And also they really enjoy the slides also, especially the kids. And they have a lots of activities there that you can try. They have a zip line and the biking. It's really nice. And maybe hopefully when we go back there again, I'm gonna try their zip line and also the biking. So it would be nice to try. And there, it's just, that place is just amazing, and it's really worth it because it's just 250 pesos. Then you can enjoy the 7 different kinds of swimming pools, and also you can bring your own foods and drinks. So I upload this video a little bit late because I've been so busy here at the house. We've been incubating some eggs, and we have 18 newborn babies. So we still have some eggs on the incubator, and we're excited for that. And thank you so much again, guys, for all the love and support, for all the nice comments. I really do appreciate all of it. And for all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So until my next video, guys, so thank you so much again, and God bless us all.